Bikes are not allowed on this road.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and
So now we'll go to some restaurant, have breakfast, and then leave to Chapora Fort. Okay, so we've reached Chapora Fort. They say we have to park here.
tell you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Man, the fort was really nice. It was actually peaceful. The view of the ocean was on another level, man. That looked really nice. And also, while coming down, you have to try the kokum. That was actually good. There was this grandma who was really helpful. Actually, she looked after our luggage and everything, and also she made the kokum really nice. I loved that kokum. Look at that, my casino. I associate casinos with GTA 5. ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ? Okay. Bikes are not allowed on this road. We came on this road yesterday. Okay, so bikes are not allowed on this road, and good thing that guy told us before only. We would have been in trouble. Yesterday we came on that bridge, man. It's not allowed. Bikes are not allowed. But we came anyways. Okay, that was wrong, I guess. Seriously didn't know. Look at that. Dalton Royal. That's also a casino. A floating casino. Oh, this is the port. Oh, this is a port, guys. Wow. King's Casino. Magic Bed, Delton Jack. Wow, man. Look at this. These all look like some like olden times. Oh, old post office. Wow. It's very tiring because the sun sucks the soul out of you, man. It's like that. Man, my guardian bell fell off. I have no idea where. I think we are nearing the place where a lot of coconut trees are there on both the sides of the road. I think this is it. Oh yeah. Let's click some pictures.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
Came here for the pictures. I just saw it somewhere and I'm like, okay, I want pictures here. That's the only reason I came here. Now we are heading back. We'll go have lunch, then we'll leave to Belagavi. So we thought of going via the Enmod Ghat, but as I said, Enmod Ghat, the road is under construction and everything, so we'll be going back via Chola Ghat itself. Always a pleasure watching this, man. This bridge is just beautiful. It's always a pleasure riding on this. After looking for cashews and kokum, it took us around 30 minutes, and then we got lost, all thanks to Google Maps, and had to make a lot of rounds, and then finally we are back on track. man, Google Maps is, I don't know what's wrong with it. Instead of giving the shorter route for the bike, it's giving a longer route for the car. If I click on bike route, it is showing the longer one, and if I click on the car route, it is showing the shorter one. I don't know why. There's a dam here, man. Oh, Goa's only dam. Lovely time in Goa, man. I had a lovely time in Goa. I've never experienced Goa like this. This ghat, I knew I will enjoy riding my bike on, and I was right.
I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause us.
Checking. Sorry. Olim. Okay, so that was just a casual checking for alcohol. Like I said, we are not allowed to bring alcohol from Goa to Karnataka. So people check. We're almost home, and this is the end of Goa trip, man. And Goa was fun. Meet you in the next videos.